Hello students, question is from computer organization. It's a linked answer question. Okay, question is consider a paging system with page table stored in the memory. Okay, and if a memory reference takes 200 nanoseconds, how long does a page reference take? Assume all the pages are in. See, this question can be from operating system also. Okay, because here TLB, the translation leukocyte buffer has been used. So whether this question can be from operating system and from CO both. Okay, so page reference, so we have to calculate a page reference so that all pages are in the memory. And one more information has been given: the reference is retrieved from page table and from the program data. Okay, so reference is particularly mentioned for retrieving the data from the page table and then retrieving the program data. Okay, and then we have a add associative register, that is TLB, and 75% of all page reference are found in the associative register. So what will be the effective memory reference time on average? Again, in the bracket they have given, assume that finding a page table entry in the associative register takes 10 nanoseconds. Already they have given memory references 200 nanoseconds, and page table reference will take here like table entry from assuming the page, if the page is in the TLB, then it will take 10 nanoseconds. Okay, so already what they have given is memory reference, they have given as time for the memory reference, they have given as 200 nanoseconds. Okay, and in the bracket they have given, and we have to calculate the page reference, right? So the page reference, if we want to calculate it should be retrieved from page table, okay, plus program data from the memory, right? So for both of the things it will take memory reference, right? So 200 plus 200, that will be 400 nanoseconds. Okay, now then the second part they have given 75% of all page table reference are found in the associative registers. Means 75% of page table reference are found in associative registers. Okay, so it means 25% will found in the memory. Okay, found in memory, right? So then what will be the average access for the memory, effective memory reference time will be how much? See, 0.75 will be for the page table. Okay, and for the page table associative register reference, it is taking 10 nanoseconds, and for memory reference 200 nanoseconds, right? And 0.25 will be found in the memory. So for memory we require 400 nanoseconds, right? Page reference is 400 nanoseconds, so it will be 10 plus 400 nanoseconds. So this will be equal to 260 nanoseconds. Okay, so for the first part, this was the first part, so we have 400 nanoseconds and 260 nanoseconds, so answer is B. Okay, in the second part they have asked is what is the effective memory reference time if the hit ratio for associative register is 70%, hit ratio for the memory is 20%, and 10% of the time we must go out of the disk to load some default pages from the memory. Okay, and the time for this disk transfer time, context switch time, it is 100 milliseconds. Okay, so after that disk reference there is no additional delay, so the page can be directly accessed by the program without any memory access delay, right? Now see, hit ratio they have given, right, for the TLB. So if they given hit ratio 70% for the TLB, what does it mean? It means we find the desired page number in the TLB by 70% of the time. Okay, so fine, then it will take 20% to find a page in the memory. Okay, and 10% of the time to load the default page. Fine, so already we know that for reference time for the TLB is what? 10 nanoseconds, right? And for memory reference it is 200 nanoseconds, right? 200 nanoseconds, and this 200 nanoseconds, it can include the reference from the page table and the program data also, right? And the disk transfer will be how much? Transfer is 100 milliseconds. So therefore again the same we have to calculate, that is the effective memory reference time. So it will be 0.70 into 10 will be for page TLB reference, right? Plus 200, again 0.20 for 10 plus 400 means for the memory, because for the memory reference, for the finding a page in the memory, it was taking 20%, right? So this will be 0.20 into 10 plus 400 and plus 0.10 into 10 plus 200 for the, this will be the for the TLB, this will be for the page table, and this will be for the disk. Okay, so this will come around 10.2 milliseconds. Okay, so the answer is 10.2 milliseconds, so answer is C. Thank you.